welcome back to my channel. Today is a special day because we are doing a donut bar mukbang, BFF and I. And we've never tried the grilled cheese donut or
the French toast. Well, I've never even had the creme brulee.
I've never had the creme brulee as well. It looks like this. I just don't want it to fall. And we have our Better Buzz drinks.
I've never been.
And these drinks are called the best drink ever, which consists of an Americano, the Americano shots.
And then it said, what was it?
The like sweet cream?
Vanilla.
Oh, okay, yeah, the vanilla sweet cream. And we added extra shots because this is really sweet. So we wanted it to dilute a little bit, but apparently it's still sweet. But it's okay because we're gonna be high off sugar and we're gonna be high off caffeine. So
we're gonna have a good buzz.
We're gonna have a good buzz.
Okay, so which one do you want to start with first? You're like eyeing this one. You want this?
No,
one
I say we dig into this
that
one.
Okay. Oh, here.
I'm too excited for this.
Oh, here. I'll put this.
I feel like we need a side of scrambled eggs.
Here, you go ahead and cut.
Oh, you want me to cut?
Yeah.
Okay, I can cut.
Oh, you got it? You can hear the crunch.
And then I seen on the menu also that they had waffle Monte Cristo, but we didn't get that today, and we didn't ask if they had it available, but maybe next time, maybe next mukbang, or maybe another mukbang, maybe in the future.
Okay, what sides is that?
Oh, so it came with two sides. That smells like sriracha.
Is it?
And this smells like ketchup. I mean, this looks like ketchup.
Or is it hot sauce?
Oh, it smells like hot sauce. It looks like ketchup, but it's hot sauce.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we need some tomato soup or something.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this again.
Yeah, I'll cut it too.
Then I'm gonna dip it in the sriracha after I have my first bite.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
It smells. I can smell the cinnamon. Look at that.
Oh yeah, this smells so good. Are you ready?
Oh yes, girl, I'm ready.
You're like, I've been ready.
I've been ready since we've been driving around. Okay. How is it?
One little bit I have is good. That's really good.
How many cheeses are in here?
Maybe two. I'm gonna put some of this on there and see.
That's really good with it. It kind of cleanses your palate a little bit. Don't you think?
I'm like, I'm not even gonna be talking because I'm so hungry right now.
I know, I'm so hungry too. It was an adventure trying to find parking in downtown.
This is really good. It's like the right amount of sweet, some butter,
And savory from the salted cheese.
I'm like, we gotta go back and get another one.
Oh, yeah, we do. I don't mind. Have you tried that one yet?
No, it smells really hot though.
Maybe I'll try it. Tastes like barbecue.
Really?
Or maybe it's just the combination of the cheese and that. What do you think? I don't know.
It's not barbecue, but it's not that hot. I don't know what it is.
Maybe my taste buds are all out of whack this morning. So should we crack into that?
That one?
Yes, you can go ahead and cut it.
Oh my. Here, let me. Oh,
I was
down.
good. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, let me open these. Let me put this aside and open these. It looks like there's blueberry.
I was wondering what that one was. I didn't really look at it.
And of
Oh,
course
yeah.
butter. And of course the syrup.
Okay, so this is a French toast one.
I've been wanting this for 2 years now.
It's taking you
And-
this long to get it?
Yeah, and it's always sold out.
Oh.
Because, you know, I guess I'm always,
Yeah.
you know, I wake up a little bit later and I'm not there early. And plus, you know, the hype is down. Like a lot of people used to line up before when it first opened.
Well, we got there like a little bit after
Yes.
they opened, and with it being, what's today, Wednesday, wasn't that bad.
Yeah. Oh, I should.
Could have butter mine up. Yeah.
So nice and fluffy. That's what a donut's supposed to be like.
I'm gonna put a little of this.
Nice and fluffy and airy, not dry.
It's like I smell the yeast.
Mm-hmm. It has to be yeasty.
Okay. That on one.
Yeah, I'll put one on mine too. On one of mine.
You got a little on one. Get some syrup.
Okay, my first bite is gonna be just with the syrup.
I'm gonna get some of the powder here. So delicious. That's good.
It's like a pillow in my mouth. So nice and fluffy.
Okay, let me try the one with the blueberry. I really like the blueberry.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think it's made in-house, or do you think that
I don't know about that.
it's probably just store-bought? It is good with the blueberry, because the blueberry is not so sweet.
Yeah. Well, let me get some more blueberry.
Go ahead, girl.
There.
I guess on Saturdays now, because they open their bar, they're open after 5 p.m. till I don't know what time, but you can actually get donuts and alcohol. But when they first opened, it wasn't like that. It was just donuts and coffee.
It's only the second time actually walking into the store.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Everyone always just brought it to me. So I never had to deal with the lines.
No one ever brought it to me. I was always bringing it to other people.
Thanks, we appreciate it. So which one do you like more, that one or that one?
I like them both
Yeah.
equally.
I think just right now, that one right now tastes better to
Yeah.
me. I think it's just because of the cheese.
Yeah, the cheese. But I like them both equally.
Mm-hmm.
Save room for dessert. Our creme brulee is going to be a dessert.
Okay, I'm gonna stop eating this one. Move down.
And is there an extra plate? Yeah, there is. I guess there's a special way we have to eat this, or we have to cut it, or there's something we have to do to it.
I don't know. We're gonna crack it and then split it in half.
Oh, okay, because
So you can hear it. You can hear it.
you can hear the crack. Okay.
Oh, you want to do that part? Because, yeah, you do that part. I should have brought us more napkins.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you can already see some of the stuff coming out.
Oh yeah. Oh, so there's something in it. There's something in it. I don't know what it is. Maybe some custard.
Yeah, it's probably like the actual custard part of it.
Oh, it's hard.
Yeah.
So how
Do
do I
that
crack it?
like
Just
you
go
know.
like that?
Yeah, like you do your regular creme brulee. I crack mine.
Oh man, it's being cracked like a glass.
Okay, you probably just cut it down.
Oh. There you go, girl.
Okay, let me get myself that plate.
It smells so good.
Okay, I'm gonna just cut this too.
Oh, I'm getting in on it. I don't need to cut it.
Okay, fine.
I'm not trying to be polite here with this donut.
I want to try to get enough in the middle. Right? Yeah, I will cut it and then eat it. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Does it taste
Oh.
like a real creme brulee?
It does. Oh, that candy coating is really hard. Like crunchy. I gotta be careful with my fillings.
So bring it too. I'm just eating some of the filling. That's good.
Yeah. So they first opened up here in San Diego, right? I think the first one was here in San Diego,
I'm like, you know more than me.
and then I think they opened one in Las Vegas.
Oh.
But I think also there's one. I don't know if it's already open. I think there's one opening up in Chicago.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah. This was definitely the dessert.
I was gonna say that.
It's really sweet.
I don't know how anyone could just eat that for like breakfast.
Yeah.
I'm stuffed already. I'm stuffed, but I'm gonna go back to that.
Not
later.
me.
I'm gonna go back to that one. Okay. Let me have my coffee now. Go back to this.
So I guess that's it for today. Thanks for joining me and BFF.
That was the cat.
Oh,
If you can hear something in the background, that's the cat.
yeah. They probably smell the grilled cheese sandwiches. But yeah. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And if you're in San Diego, definitely you have to have Donut Bar if you're a tourist coming from out of town. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Cheers.